Just a small chip like this, it needs more than 2,000 to repair it. Let's take a look at this phone. The model is Samsung Z Flip 3. Now its failure is that the boot cannot enter the system. Turn it on halfway and then automatically turn it off. Plug in the charger, it can enter the system normally. But the magic is that when we pull out the data cable, the phone will turn off immediately. Now it's off, we press the power button and there is no response. Okay, next we just remove the back cover. Fans just started to consult with this phone after the sale. The staff at the time of the sale gave the answer to replace the motherboard. Need more than 2,000. Remember that it was too expensive, so I didn't choose to replace the motherboard. Then I went to the local repair shop to check. I studied it for the repair master. Say it may be a problem with the card. But they dare not disassemble this kind of foldable phone by themselves. Okay, let's take a look at what kind of failure it caused. In fact, this failure is very simple. It's caused by this black chip. Basically, it's a common disease. We have repaired many such cases before. The repair plan is also very simple. Just replace this black chip with a good one. If you need it, you can also collect this video. I also know how to repair when I meet this situation. The wind gun temperature is 420. You can easily remove this black chip. This is a second-generation motherboard. Compare the two chips are common. Then we can just take it apart. The tin on the motherboard was perfectly removed when we removed it. So there is no need to do it again. Can be installed directly. The wind gun temperature is still 420. Seeing the chip returning to its position means that it has been soldered. Clean up the motherboard. Then we can install it directly and test. Okay, without plugging in the charger. Successfully entered the system. Then we plug in the charger. Pull it off and see if it will automatically turn off. No shutdown. Then it's maintained here. Put the back cover on. This phone can be handed over to the machine. Okay, last question. How much do you think I should charge?